Hello again, I'm Michael with Joto Imaging Supplies, and this is another dye sublimation video. Today, we're going to be doing single-sided ornaments. You can see they've got these lovely tapered shapes to them, hole for where the ornament goes through, and a ribbon so that when you want, you're ready to hang them up. As always, we'll be using images that are presented by my wife, Olga. So it's pretty straightforward with this. You're only dealing with the single side. It does have that protective plastic coating on there, so you're gonna have to, with your fingernail, get in underneath it. Comes off in a single pull, making sure that your hole is properly aligned up on your image. Find your image placement, and once you've got it, assuming that you're satisfied, a couple of pieces of tape. 2 is usually enough, but some people will go as far as 4. If you have trouble with it moving around, more tape will do the trick. You're pretty much ready to go. I'm going to prepare this one, and we'll do them both together in this press as soon as I've done that. All right, now that they're taped down, they're ready to go in the press. Pro tip, a lot of places, a lot of instructions will tell you that you should do these face up, where the paper side is against the heat of the platen. This is metal, and it transmits heat beautifully from one side to the other. The bottom will offer all the pressure that is required, and as a result, I strongly recommend doing them face down. Occasionally, you'll get some spotting or some splotches that are maybe even hard to see, but will show up in your image, especially against the light. That can easily be avoided putting them face down and pressing them like that. They're going to press out just as beautiful, I promise. Watch and see. The low end of medium pressure, 340 degrees for 90 seconds. I've got some butcher paper here that is just really quick fold over, even being reused, but making sure that I'm reusing it in a place where it doesn't have any ink stains. And down she goes. We'll see you in 90 seconds. 2, 1, and up she goes. So it's time for that favorite part, the reveal. So what have we got? Oh, I think it looks good. One of the wonderful things about metal is that you get really vibrant images coming from it. And many of you have seen me perhaps in the past, handle some recently sublimated materials without gloves. With metal, I don't mess around. This is hot. Watch yourself. I can feel it even through the gloves. Let's give these a minute to cool. We'll throw a ribbon on them and get one final shot. So I'm really not sure if you're going to be able to see this through the camera and with this lighting, but I'm going to do my best to try and show you. If you take a look, you'll see where the light hits. Sometimes you'll be able to see spotting on this plate. This is actually just a thin metal license plate, one of the other items that we carry here at Joto. That spotting is a result of the fact that it was pressed face up. Had it been pressed face down, very likely we would have been able to avoid that. It is a combination of heat and pressure, but it's mostly the directness of the heat coming straight off that platen, being just that little extra scalding and creating little bits of patchiness. If you take a look at these images, yep, they're now cool to the touch. You can see, or I hope you can, there's none of that splotchiness there. Take our ribbon. There's a lot of different ways to do it, but the way I do it is I take the 2 ends, set them up in a single knot. This actually has the advantage of also being easy to undo later on. And then I slip this in through the back, pulling it through, and lo and behold, if you like this content and want some more, please like and subscribe. And hey, let us know what you'd like to see us dye sublimate next. Thanks again.